Yalimala lapho kodadewethu hey bawaqhumile lamakwelekwele. Uthi wani phela abashana sekhona abashana bethu manje.
In your country, you just build anywhere. So it's our country that must be a circus.
You can pay people, they feel that you can.
Did you bribe people to have this door open?
Like 5 years, 10 years, you're operating the business, but you know that March is affecting our businesses, and we can't operate the business because of the scared. We are scaring because we are foreigners.
Hayi sengiyasaba nokuveza ubuso bami ke emphakathi ngoba ngazi ngizolandwa ubani Nkosi yami.
Wena-ke mkhulu unawo amaphepha mhlawumbe ipermit yokuba la unayo ipassport yonke into yakhe right?
ID. ID yona ngayithola lapha yana kumhulumeni ngaleso sikhathi 1999. So ngalezo sikhathi until manje ID leyo ikhona thina njengamanje.
I-ID uyithola underwise as a citizen kanjani?
Citizen yalana South Africa. Yeah, manje ngibona kona ukuthi
so wena mkhulu you are fully South African. You have, I mean, the citizenship of South Africa.
Yes, I'm a citizen of South Africa.
The guys are still on the street saying we are marching. And the march is called March and March. Let me tell you a little bit about this march. It started in Durban, and then it's called March and March because a group of people, a group of organizations, they've decided to say, no, we're not going to allow our country to be like this. We have watched this thing happening in front of our eyes too much. Now it's time for us to stand up and go to the street so that our government can see that we're not going to accept this anymore. We're going to accept illegal foreigners coming into our country, selling drugs, and also doing business without permits, without illegal papers. They come here without papers. So those people, they decided to go to the street, as I've mentioned, and then after, it was not, probably it was not going to get to where it is. But the Nigerians decided to think this is the right opportunity for them to claim the East London. Because after that, we saw the coronation of the King Igbo in East London, whereby the Nigerians wanted to ubeka inkosi yabo lapha as a king of East London. And then people from the March and March, Singathi Ongizwe no Phakela Mthakathi, they decided to say, no, we're not going to allow this to happen in our country. We're not going to allow this to happen as we do Baba. And then they decided to march to East London to go and assist some of our brothers and sisters that are there in East London, mostly because it's their province. And then it became something big. Many people have decided to join. Many people, they had their eyes opened, and then now they started to see, but no, we are in trouble. We are in trouble as a country. We need to stop this because we have problems, a lot of problems in South Africa. Youth, a lot of youth is not unemployed, and a lot of them, they went to school. They will tell you that we have papers, we did this and this, we have metric, but we are not working. So there are a lot of jobs that they can be occupying while they are still, waiting for the ones that they are studying about for, or the ones that they've studied for. But unfortunately, those jobs, most of them are occupied by illegal foreigners because I said it in my previous videos that I do understand why they occupy those kind of jobs, because they don't have papers. If you don't have papers, you won't be hired in big organizations or associations. So you will just have those small ones that they are willing to go for cheap labor also. You know, so that became a big problem here in South Africa because of now the local people are not working and they are complaining all the time. And it seems like the government is not doing anything because we see our president all over Africa with these leaders of African countries, but we never see him talking anything regarding illegal foreigners that are occupying South Africa, that comes and flowing here in South Africa, you know. So it has moved. It has been moving province to province. It's currently here in Johannesburg, in South Africa, Johannesburg. So these are the collections of clips that I've prepared for you so that you can see updates, what has been happening, whereby they were going shop to shops, checking for permits, for papers. If you don't have papers and you are legal in the country, which is illegal on its own to be here, you know. So they close your shop, they close your business so that you can go back to your country and fix your papers, then you can return. Most of these videos are collected from different accounts of Facebook, and then I like to give a shout out to those people also who owns these videos. I don't want them seeing these videos and start saying, why are you showing our videos in the platform, while it's not about us, it's not about promoting the channel at this point. At this point, it's about us speaking out, fighting also in our corners and saying Abahambe, because we are all fed up about this. We are all affected as South Africans about the illegal foreigners that are here in South Africa. This is the longest intro I've ever done. Without any waste of time, let's go.
We are fixing this continent. This thing of you guys moving from one country to the other, it's no longer working. We don't want this as African people anymore. We are tired of seeing African migrants moving all over the world, refusing to fix your own countries. Now we're making it very clear to you guys, Utitina, we don't want you here. We want you to fix your countries. Now you came here with a traveling document. You came with a passport. You know that you are a visitor, but now you decided to come and integrate in our communities. You know very well that what you have done is wrong.
How many children do you have here?
We can come to Ghana and do what you're doing.
AP passport.
Eh? Now you are carrying your bucket. It's 11 a.m. You were supposed to be fighting the government of Ghana there to ensure that they are getting things right.
No, there's no fight in Ghana. You must fight what they did.
Where's your papers?
Passport.
Passport.
Where's the passport?
Take it out. Baba.
Let me see your passport. Let me see. Luna. Okay, tell me. Who's the police officer that you are bribing to certify these things for you?
I didn't bribe.
Baba, let me tell you. I'm not
Check the
foolish.
date.
These things, let me tell you, ne? You know by law you're not supposed to certify as an immigrant. You're not allowed to certify your passport.
No.
Okay, why do you certify your passport in a foreign land?
Okay.
Let's just start there. Why do you certify your passport in a foreign land?
You see, it was raining.
I follow you guys now on Facebook. How you?
It was raining these days. You see. And when you go out with the passport, sometimes it gets spoiled. That is why I satisfy it so that it won't spoil.
Baba, Ghana don't do that.
Okay.
Ghana don't do that.
All right, sharp.
Ghana
Let me
is
show
the
you.
only African country that is.
Let me show you that when you are abusing our
system.
systems, ne? On the 10th of April, again, the 10th of April, you entered your country when? The very same day you came back when yeah, it's a proof. Yeah. Proof. Yes, the proof.
Let crocodile can't go.
You went to Ghana on the 10th and then you came back.
No,
because here it says you exited Ghana to South Africa. When? Here it says you entered, here you exited. And it's the same date. It's the 10th of April, 10th of April.
This stamp you got there in Elof Street on the street. This is where you got the stamp.
Oh, they've got a connection here.
no.
I am telling you, that's where they
Nina bendlovu ngithokoza kakhulu ukuthi sihlangene esandlwane namhlanje la khona sikwazi ukuthi sihlanganise siwuZulu sihlangane amakhanda washo umdlungumane wathi hlangana mhlathokaza nayo Zulu omnyama kakusiqali lokho abantu bofika kulelizwe umdlukumbane yayikhona lenkinga sedlula kuyo isikhona ke futhi manje ngesikhathi sami Zulu omnyama ngisho ukuthi kase kucwayi lokhu udala umthetho ngisacela ukuthi ke nithembise nje into eyodwa Zulu omnyama bengabanga umsindo onke amagubu omhlaba mdala lo msindo lelizwe liyindawo akho umuntu othinta lelizwe ukwaZulu
Oh bayede uyakhuluma kodwa akakhulumi akasho lutho ayikho nje into akayishilo bayede la ayimnqubakela phambili ngento akayishilo. Okay, just to summarize it, the king, our king, King Misuzulu is saying this is not a new problem, this is an old problem. Even his father faced this problem before. And then in the beginning of the video, he said, he said, I'm not going to command the soldiers for war to war. I'm not going to command any war against illegal foreigners. So this is why I'm saying he's not saying anything, but yeah, I hope you'll understand me when I'm saying that. Please comment on the comment section, write your view and what you are thinking of the whole video. Yeah, let's move to another part of the video. Let's keep going. let me just talk about a few clips that you've just watched now. Mr. Ntuli, Mayor KZN. I like the leadership of KZN. First of all, let me say that. Because it seems like they are awake. Even Namapoisa Wakona, they are working. We can see the results are showing. They've been talking about the results. Even him has mentioned that the crime has went down at KZN because of the hard work that the police are putting through there. But also, for the fact that Ntuli belongs to the ANC, you know, times like this, when someone is making sense or saying something that a lot of people likes, but it loses the value because of now you've created this problem. Now you have created this problem, and even now when the public are deciding to deal with the problem themselves, the ANC is just there, it's just away. You know, you don't hear anything from the ANC, you know, except this guy Nakona, because he's in KZN, and then the people from KZN decided to stand up and fight. And then as a mayor, basically so he was supposed to go along with the people, but the organization on its own, the ANC, has not done anything regarding what is happening here in South Africa regarding illegal foreigners that are doing illegal businesses here in South Africa.
Bafowethu eThekwini akumandanga, akumnandanga. Hlobo bafowethu eThekwini. Sijikeleza kithi manje amaphoyisa umkhonto gwaze ekhaya, ama security companies lawa kati itolo no pavement, amapara lawa suke entshontsha nabafowethu nodadewethu labanyusa ingubo. Bashaya thina manje of which asinayo backup, kodwa sesilindizwe elilodwa kusisijesinza ukuthi kwenziwe njani ngoba kona ikhonto kufanele yenziwe. Asikwazi singaphila impilo yokushawa. Uphinde uzoshawa amaSomaliyeni, ungashawa iSomaliyeni ngoba naku kukhona amaphoyisa, naku kukhona ama security abagadile, bane backup yonke. Nongizo ufikile naye, sizozwa na ukuthi uzothini. So silo siqhubeka sibheka ama video enhlaka production noma kuyena uSemfene siza ukuthi uthini. Phakela umthakathi la ukhona bafungeke. Le isidinga thina ke le. Ingane iphelile isibhaqo zizamile okungangamandla azo. Lokho enikubona nizokubona kuma video trend. Bezizama khona okufihliwe okungavezwanga okwenziwa kuzona. Awukwazi ukushaya umuntu ongakushaya. Ushaya ngoba nawe usushayo. Kubi bafowethu, kubi eThekwini. Ya, sisijesinta silindizwe kuwena. Ebese sisusela kulona. Mawuthi sivuke kusasa siyavuka. Akakabi isikhathi sokuvala icleaning yethu, kodwa siyithola sesiyivala manje. Ufuna uPaul? Nako engihamba na ubolile imivimbo la. Ubaleka ngene emotweni, akazi ukuthi ungene kanjani.
Amaphoyisa Nkosi yami, amaphoyisa ayangilwisa. Ngithi angeke sikhulume kwicamera yamaphoyisa ngoba thiwa singakhulumi namuntu kwicamera ngaphandle komuntu ohamba nathi. Hayi khona iphoyisa vele ehlezi lilwa nathi ke. Lilwa nami ke namhlanje iphoyisa lethi nje wena khathele wena. Sizokukhombisa ukuthi suba.
Kubi ke bafowethu njoba nizwela. Osimpiwe sibashile. Baningi sibashile. Unomfundo ungena la kumina ngoba ayena bese targetwe kakhulu. Ngoba kuthiwa ired ungqevu. So ke bafowethu eThekwini akumnandanga. Hayi yasho inja nofish athi akumnandanga bafowethu. Kubi sisilindizwe kuwena.
Sanibonani South Africa. Sila ngophula umgwaqo la ngase A5 ku Victoria. Sengikhulumile nomphathi wamaphoyisa kuthiwa captain la eThekwini ngihamba nemarch march. Ngangithole ikhalazo zabahlali bala eSouth Africa ukuthi kunendawo lela nansi inama foreigner and ngangena door to door ngawafica ama foreigner athunga amaphinifu adayise emgwaqweni. Njengamanje sesikhulumile nomphathi uNgubane uMagubane umphathi abahamba naye namhlanje la ku Victoria ukuthi ake singene la ngaphakathi kuboshwe lama foreigner athunga la ukuze kuqashwe abantu base South Africa bekwazi ukuthi besebenze kule ndawo le. Siyabonga.
Hayi sengiyasaba nokuveza ubuso bami ke emphakathi ngoba ngazi ngizolandwa ubani Nkosi yami. Bathi bona bazofixa iCountry ayirathanda. Oh Nkosi yami kitchen unit ngezandla. Azi yakhala musi la. Liyani ibhalwe nokuthi Thekeni, iThekeni
Esinamagama.
Wathekeni.
Bafethu buka nje nabantu.
Ungabona ifurniture yakho ingena kule truck bathi uhamba uyoyikhipha ngemali.
Obokubekela.
Bokubekela yona usuzoza uma unemali.
Alright. Imali yona le truck
uyoyikhipha mali uyoyithatha kule truck. Imali yokuyokhipha nale property uyithatha.
In your country, you just build anywhere.
So it's our country that must be a circus.
You can pay people, you feel that you can.
Did you bribe people to have this door open?
No, definitely they did. These things, historically, they developed right in front of my eyes. I would have raised them with officials in the city to come and inspect these buildings. If they are compliant and all of that, they turn a blind eye on it.
kuseThekwini la ku-West Street ukani ngazavala kamnandi itoro Jesi ukani phansi kuklini yabona nje le ndawo le yile ndawo ebese behlala kuyo labo kufika itoro zabo bonke lezi umbuzo wami uthi bantu basemnambithi mina nizosukuma nini silungisa idorobha lethu kholento yonke nje amaPakistani Nambithi amasaluni kugcwele amaPakistani hayi bakwethu asishintsheni
You say your names here. Your name and your surname and tell us how is it affecting you, the whole thing?
That affecting, like, you know, this march affecting us because we are operating business in the town, right? Like so long, like 5 years, 10 years.